Hi guys, Eddie Stobart 1000 here, and today we've got a die-cast metal and plastic authentic scale replica model of an Eddie Stobart Curtainside. Just had a bit of muck there. Oh God. So, as you can probably tell, I've already opened it. It's just, I've put it back in the box like this because I couldn't find the this is the actual box, but I couldn't find the wrapping that it came in. So, just take it, just show you how it looks from in the box. Sorry guys, just give me a minute. That's how it looks from in the box. Well, hold on. There's definitely something wrong with my camera at the minute, so just bear with me. Just move that to the side there. And let's have a look at this box. It'll turn around. So as we can see, it's a scale 1.6, no, 164 model. So, die-cast metal and plastic, made by Psycho, authentic scale replica. Truck transporter, scale 1.64, truck and trailer, Psycho. And it's basically just the same on the top. So yeah, truck transporter, collect our full range of products. Style A, the Eddie Stobart. Ooh, wait a minute. Style B, the TNT. It looks red, but it's orange. Come on. There we go. Style C, the Volvo Safety First. So then Style D, the Malcolm. Style A, another Style A. This Subaru rally team truck. Yeah, sorry if you can hear me sniffling, I've got a bit of a cold. Style B, Pirelli, Compet, whatever. Can't really see that. I'll go through all the fleet numbers in a minute. Style C, Repsol Honda team. Style D, BP Atkins Racing team. That's actually green. And Style A, BP Ford Rally team. So Stobart number is 46601. Then the TNT is another 46601. 46601. Oh, just give me a minute. Let me let my dog out of the room. Ooh, flipping out. He just when I opened the door, he just whacked his head on the door. So then 46602, same there, same there, same there, same there. So yeah, this is basically information, as I think I've already said. If you want to read it, just pause it. Yeah, so yeah, let's just move that to the side a minute, guys. Oh, and I'd just like to say something of Class 66. If you're watching, you're a lucky boy, mate. A lucky boy getting all those models and seeing all them. Right. So yeah. So Eddie Stobart, Train Store Logistics. I like how they've done these like clips. They're all bumpy. It's awesome, it is. And obviously just normal. Ooh, I haven't noticed them before. Little like lights. Shut up. Little like lights. No more. I like that wheel. So let's have a look at the fleet number. Just give me that here. Zoom in on the fleet number. If the camera will capture. Not sure if you guys can see it, but the fleet number is H4261. So yeah, it's in the nice little classic Eddie Stobart livery. New Stobart livery. Oh, come on. Oh, flipping hell. EddieStobart.co.uk, the website. Stobart sign there, and the classic Stobart livery stuff. Stobart, Holly Jane, Volvo, FH, Volvo FH, registration, for some reason, I'll show you, I'll just tell you now. It's PX58BSZ. So yeah, got like a little roofing, air roofing there. Same on the side there. Nice little sign things. Nice headlights, they're not actually working ones. And there's this nice like stands for the trailer, but unfortunately haven't found a way of how to detach the trailer. So if any of you know, just let me know in the comment box below. Down there. Oh god. And nice little trailer with the trailer number being CT3380. Some nice clips. Unfortunately it doesn't open. And like I said, PX56BSZ. So, sorry if you can hear that noise in the background, it's the TV. So, yeah guys, please comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Bye guys.